Hello student, this is Vaibhavi, your teacher, and from today onwards we are starting a series writing a project report. This series comprises 7 videos devoted to discuss how to write a project report with an example. This example is of the one of the students under my guidance who have done his project in the marketing area. However, according to points discussed of throughout this video series, students can prepare their project in the different areas such as human resource management, production management, financial management, etc. Students, there are three main sections of project writing. These are: first is preliminary pages of the project, second main body of the project, third appendices of the projects. Thus, students, there are different sections of the project. Now we are going to discuss the preliminary section of the project. Students, here are observation. The title pages of the project report must be his page must be start with project title followed by institute name where you are going to submit a project. After that, your name and qualification followed by name of the guide with qualification and his designation and institute name followed by addresses of the institute and the end of the project title page. You have to mention the project year. After the title page, the first page is certificate by the organizational where you completed internship. This page is denoted in small Roman 1 and certificate should comprises. This is to certify that student of university has successfully completed project work on in our organization during the period from for 90 days. During the above training period, he/she was found to be sincere and hardworking. We wish him all the success in future. At the end of this certificate, the signature of authority is essential. After the organizational certificate, student has to attach the declaration and it should comprises matter such as I hereby declare that the project entitled completed and written by me has not previously formed the basis for the awarded of any degree or diploma or other similar title of this or any other university or examining body. Place, date, duly signed by the student. After student declaration, guide declaration should be attached and it should denoted by Roman 3. The matter of this declaration should be such as this is to certify that the project entitled which is being submitted herewith for the award of the degree of Master of Business Administration of University is the result of the original project work completed by Srimati. Type here name of the students. under my supervision and guidance, and to the best of my knowledge and belief, the work embodied in this report has not formed earlier the basis for the award of any degree or similar title of this or any other university or examining body. Place, date with duly signed by the guide. And the matter should be comprises such as to again subject MBA project report. Respected sir, I am recommending the project entitled dot dot with reference to submitted by as a partial fulfillment of the university requirements for the award of Master of Business Administration bracket MBA bracket complete university. Thanking you. University. Principal signature. 7. After the recommendation letter, students should attach index. This index should comprise first of all the preliminary pages comprising first certificate organization in bracket organizational letter about completion of 19 days project, page number 1. Second, declaration bracket by student bracket complete, page number 2. 3. Declaration bracket by guidance bracket complete, page number 3. 4. Recommendation, page number 4. Index, page number 5. List of table, page number 6. List of graphs, page number 7. List of appendices, page number 8. Introduction, chapter 1. Introduction to the student, page number 1 to Introduction to the study, page number 1 to 10. Chapter 2. Introduction to the organization, page number 11 to 21. Chapter 3. Theoretical background of the study. Chapter page number 22 to 38. Chapter 4. Data analysis and interpretation, page number 39 to 58. Chapter 5. Suggestion / conclusion, page number 59 to 62. Reference / bibliography, appendices. Student, hope you understand the matter and formats of preliminary pages. We are now going to observe actual and example of student project. Before that, few types relate to fonts. These are that you should use Times New Roman font for chapter title font. Size must be 16 bold. For main points in the chapter 14 bold. For sub-points in the chapter it is 12 bold. And for the running matter in the chapter it should be 12 and bold. And the spacing between two lines must be 1.5. Hope you understand font related requirements. So, student, let's observe the preliminary pages example. Students, thus Today we discuss the matter and format of project preliminary pages, and in the next lecture we will discuss about the main body of the project, and that is how to write chapter first of the project. Thank you. See you the next video.